How to manage your Audible library. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can manage your Audible library. Managing your Audible library is easy peasy, so just follow along. The first step is to launch your Audible app, just like I've done here, and then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see a menu. Showcases some icons such as Home, Library, Discover, Profile, and click on Library. By clicking on Library, you'll be taken to your library page where you see all of your downloaded audiobooks there. Once you can see that, in order to manage your library, you can use the sort and fill option, right, in order to sort out the books that you're looking for by clicking on the recent activity. By clicking on the recent activity, you see the different ways whereby you can sort and filter option. You can see recent activity, you can see release date, length, title, author, narrator, any way whereby you can filter your books. This is one way of managing your library. Another way is by managing your library by selecting different categories of books. We have the all titles, we have the not stated, we have the in progress, we have the downloaded. So select the one that your book fall under. And also you can add your books to your collections. All right, you can create custom collections by selecting the book that you want to create a collection for. Click on the three vertical dots on the book, and in the menu that displays, you will see the option Add to Collection, which is located below Add to Favorite and above Archive this title. And by clicking on Add to Collection, you can create a new collection if you don't have one before. Give the collection a name, give it a description, move to the top right corner and click on Create, and then just like that, your book will be added to your collection and your library will be well sorted. So this is how you can manage your Audible library. It is very simple to sort, very simple to manage. Ensure you try that out as soon as you can. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.